After 50, your body handles food and drinks differently, especially hidden sugars and chemicals. Many beverages marketed as healthy are actually loaded with sweeteners and artificial flavors. Your metabolism slows down, your insulin sensitivity changes, and digestion becomes less efficient. What worked in your 30s might now trigger weight gain, blood sugar spikes, and energy crashes. Worse, some drinks are designed to sound healthy but hide ingredients that harm senior health. Companies use buzzwords like natural, low-calorie, or vitamin-infused to gain your trust. But behind these labels are marketing tricks, processed sugars, and sometimes toxic preservatives. Each one may seem harmless or even helpful, but the science says otherwise behind the bottle. Small changes to your drink choices can lead to big results in your blood pressure and weight. You deserve the full truth about what you are really drinking, and we are here to reveal it. Here are 9 healthy drinks that are not healthy at all, and what you should sip instead. Let us start with the worst offenders hiding behind the healthy label. 1. Vitamin-infused waters. These waters claim to offer vitamins, but most are sugar-loaded and lack true nutrition balance. Some contain up to 30 grams of sugar equal to soda masked with natural flavor wording. After 50, excess sugar increases your risk for high blood pressure, obesity, and inflammation. Your body absorbs liquid sugar faster, spiking insulin and draining your energy fast. The vitamins added are often synthetic and poorly absorbed compared to food-based nutrients. Some brands add preservatives or colorants that can irritate your gut or kidneys long-term. These drinks may also include caffeine or stimulants disguised as herbal energy blends. Such combinations put extra pressure on aging hearts and overstress your adrenal system. If you want vitamins, eat real fruits or take a supplement designed for your age group. 2. Diet soda. Diet sodas promise zero sugar and calories, but they bring other health risks with every sip. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, and acesulfame potassium are metabolism disruptors. These chemicals confuse your brain and may increase your cravings for real sugar and carbs. Studies link diet sodas to higher risks of stroke, weight gain, and insulin resistance. If you are over 50, your liver and kidneys are more sensitive to the toxins in artificial drinks. Frequent consumption may also upset your gut microbiome, leading to bloating and poor digestion. Despite being sugar-free, diet sodas can still spike blood glucose through indirect hormone shifts. The acidity in these drinks can erode tooth enamel and irritate your esophagus over time. Some contain caramel coloring linked to increased cancer risk when consumed regularly. Do not fall for the zero label. 0 calories does not mean zero harm to your health. 3. Sports drinks. Sports drinks are made for athletes, not for everyday people, especially not those over 50. These drinks are packed with sugar, sodium, artificial dyes, and synthetic minerals. Unless you are doing intense workouts, the calories and chemicals outweigh any benefit. One bottle can contain more than 250 calories and over 30 grams of sugar or high fructose corn syrup. Many also contain artificial sweeteners and citric acid, which harm teeth and gut lining. Older adults have slower digestion and less need for high-sodium fluid replacements. The added electrolytes are often imbalanced and unnecessary for daily hydration. These drinks can raise blood pressure and strain the kidneys if consumed regularly. Even low-sugar versions still contain artificial colors and lab-made flavors. You can make your own electrolyte drink using sea salt, lemon juice, and a touch of honey. 4. Bottled smoothies. Bottled smoothies seem healthy, but most are sugar bombs dressed up as wellness drinks. Many have more sugar than soda, up to 50 grams, even without adding refined sweeteners directly. After 50, this sugar load increases belly fat, insulin spikes, and long-term inflammation. Even green smoothies may be packed with apple juice or banana puree to boost sweetness. Fiber is often filtered out, leaving behind sugary pulp with limited digestive benefits. You miss out on the natural fiber and enzymes found in freshly blended whole fruits. Some include juice concentrate, a processed syrup stripped of most nutritional value. Pasteurization kills many beneficial enzymes and heat-sensitive vitamins in bottled versions. Smoothies marketed as meal replacements lack protein, fat, or fiber to keep you satisfied. They can cause energy crashes and make you hungrier within an hour or two. If the ingredient list is longer than a sentence or includes purees, skip it altogether. Blend your own smoothie at home using spinach, chia seeds, berries, and plant protein. 5. Iced green tea bottles. Green tea is great until it is bottled with sugar, additives, and caramel coloring inside. Most iced green tea brands add sweeteners or flavor enhancers that counter tea's benefits. Even the unsweetened versions may contain preservatives that irritate your stomach lining. Bottled teas often lack the antioxidants you get from brewing fresh tea at home. That's because catechins, the healthy compounds, degrade quickly after bottling. Some bottles include tea essence or tea flavor instead of real brewed leaves. This means you're not drinking real tea, you're drinking a lab-created replica of one. Some sweetened versions have over 25 grams of sugar, defeating a heart-healthy purpose. If you are over 50, this excess sugar can raise cholesterol and glucose levels silently. Even natural bottled teas often sneak in cane sugar, honey blends, or fruit syrups. Skip the bottle and brew real green tea. Let it chill, then add lemon and mint yourself. Green tea is powerful, but only when it is fresh, clean, and free from fake enhancements. 6. Flavored almond milk or oat milk. Non-dairy milk alternatives are often marketed as cleaner choices, but many are not. Flavored almond or oat milk often includes added sugar, gums, oils, and preservatives. Some brands add sunflower oil or canola oil to create creaminess but add inflammation. Your digestion after 50 is more sensitive to these industrial additives and stabilizers. Carrageenan, often used to thicken milk, is linked to gut irritation and bloating issues. The flavored versions also contain vanilla extract or syrup, increasing sugar content. A cup can contain up to 18 grams of added sugars in sweetened versions. This pushes your blood sugar and insulin levels dangerously high without warning. Many are also fortified with synthetic calcium or vitamin D2 not well absorbed in aging bodies. Instead, go for unsweetened versions with minimal ingredients, just water and almonds or oats. Better yet, make your own at home and control texture, sweetness, and nutrient profile. Check labels for hidden sugar terms like evaporated cane juice or rice syrup. 7. Fruit juice. Even 100% fruit juice is not as healthy as eating whole fruits, especially after 50. Juicing removes all the fiber, leaving behind a high concentration of natural sugars. This can cause blood sugar to spike quickly and stress the pancreas and liver. Just one glass of orange juice can have the sugar of 4 oranges without the fiber. Many store-bought juices are also pasteurized, destroying heat-sensitive vitamins and enzymes. Some brands add natural flavors or vitamin fortifications that do little for real health. Apple juice, grape juice, and tropical blends often have the highest glycemic index scores. For aging bodies, this can lead to insulin resistance, fatigue, and midsection weight gain. Juices may feel hydrating, but they're sugar shots wrapped in a fruit-flavored disguise. If you must drink juice, dilute it with water and limit it to a small amount after meals. Better still, eat the whole fruit and drink water that's nature's intended delivery method. 8. Coconut water with flavors. Coconut water is trendy and refreshing, but flavored versions are often sugar-loaded. Some brands add fruit puree, cane sugar, or natural flavors that spike blood glucose. Plain coconut water is naturally sweet, but these add-ons can double the sugar content. Too much sugar in liquid form can burden kidneys and elevate blood pressure quickly. Many flavored options also include citric acid and preservatives for longer shelf life. The sodium and potassium balance in coconut water is good, but not for every senior. If you take blood pressure or heart medication, check with your doctor first. The extra potassium may cause problems with certain medications or kidney conditions. Stick with plain, organic coconut water and keep servings to under 8 ounces. And always check the label. Even light or pure varieties may hide sweeteners. You can flavor your own coconut water with lime, mint, or cucumber at home. 9. Detox teas and cleanses. These teas claim to cleanse your body, but most are just herbal laxatives in disguise. After 50, your digestive system is more vulnerable to disruption and dehydration. Many detox teas use senna leaf, which can cause cramping, diarrhea, and mineral loss. Long-term use can lead to dependency and damage the colon's natural rhythm. Some also include caffeine or diuretics that increase urination and electrolyte imbalance. You may lose weight from water loss, but not from real fat or toxin elimination. Your liver and kidneys already detox the body. These teas just stress them more. Weight loss from detox teas is temporary and often followed by rebound bloating. The packaging may show herbs, but the formula is often synthetic and unsafe. They may also interfere with medications or supplements you rely on daily. Instead, eat high-fiber foods, drink more water, and support gut health naturally. Green vegetables, chia seeds, and fermented foods are nature's real detox tools. What you drink after 50 matters just as much as what you eat, maybe even more each year. Beverages are easily absorbed, meaning any sugar, additive, or preservative acts fast on your body. And sadly, the drinks marketed as healthy often hide the worst ingredients behind nice-sounding words. You do not need magic drinks or buzzword bottles. You need hydration, balance, and clean ingredients. Make water your #1 drink, followed by herbal teas and occasional homemade smoothies. Always read the labels, avoid flavor enhancers, and question everything labeled fit, clean, or smart. After 50, energy, digestion, and heart health are too fragile to waste on liquid sugar and fake health. Every sip is a choice, and the right choices protect your blood pressure, brain, and bones. Let go of sugary lies, diet drink traps, and detox fads that do more harm than good. Your body deserves truth, not trends, and real nourishment, not empty promises and bottles. If this video helped you understand the real risks, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more clear, science-backed advice to protect your health every week. Comment below with your thoughts and share it with someone over 50. Stay informed, stay hydrated, and never let marketing decide what goes into your body. Your health is your power, protected with every sip.